Assalamu alaikum my dear students, hello, how are you all? Hope you are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NFS Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I'm going to take an Information and Communication Technology class for class 6 students. Our today's topic, Chapter 3, Lesson 4 and 5 discussions. So let's see our today's class 6, subject ICT. Topic Chapter 3, Lesson 4 and 5 discussion, Term Annual, Lecture-05, SW4, Teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and today's date. So my dear students, let's open your book and go to page number 50, Lesson 4 and 5, Health Hazards and Consciousness regarding ICT applications. So let's start. So milk is very nutritious food. It is good for children to drink milk regularly. But if we throw a child into a milk drum, then there is a possibility for the child to be drowned in the milk. So that means, though a thing may be very good, but it is dangerous when it is used excessively. So we should not use anything excessively. It is also true in the case of computer. Okay? So computer has been made for help in our daily life, and it should be used accordingly. But if we start using it excessively, then it can cause a danger. So if we start using a computer excessively, it can cause danger. Some amount of intelligence is required to use computer. For this reason, we're moving to next page number 51. Many parents allow their children to play on it as a toy. So we use computer as playing for a toy. It is often seen that many children are addicted to computer games, and they play computer games all day and night. All day and night play computer games. It is harmful for children. They may fall sick sitting in front of the computer for hours at an age when they should play in the field with their friends. Mental sickness is more dangerous than physical sickness. Children should play regularly by swimming or running. Okay? You can see two pictures. The children are swimming and they are playing. Many physical problems may arise if someone sits in front of computer a long time. So, many physical problems may arise. In these regards, back pain, pain in fingers, problems in eye can be caused commonly. So, there are some diseases caused by playing computer, using computer for a long time. A different type of problem has been noticed with the grown-up youth using computer. A person can now make social contacts with others using a computer, even though it is an easy way for collecting ordinary information. Often it is seen that many people take it to an extreme stage. So many people think that it is an actual social relationship. So they forget about normal relationship with others. In most cases, these boys and girls grow up as unsocial human beings. Information and communication technology is comparatively a very new technology. That's why we have not fully understood its capabilities yet. We are getting to know about some of its good capabilities in one side, but we also need to be careful so that it can harm us. It cannot harm us. It may not make harm to us subconsciously. So those of you who will use information technology in life always need to remember that you should use the technology but never let the technology use you. Very important sentence. Always need to remember that you should use the technology but never let the technology use you. Very important sentence. That's all for today, my dear students. Your SW will be today's SW4, Lecture 5, SW4. Chapter 3, Lesson 4 and 5, make 5 OWA one word answer. Okay? So my dear students, thanks for watching this class. Do your SW at home and submit on Saturday. keep practicing at home. But parents, stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.